To clear the screen, use Clear Host or Clear or CLS. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl-L. To get an overview of all the commands possible for this, use the command get-alias --definition clear-host. As we can see, this only makes our previous activity out of sight and does not clear our command history. To clear our command history, type clear-history and then hit Enter. We see that the entire command history for this specific PowerShell session is now gone.